Henan Hengmu Machinery Co Limited is located in the south of Yuntai Mountain, a beautiful world geology park. Our company is working at producing feed-making machines, compound fertilizer processing machines, and complete biomass energy pellet making machines. We are professional in turnkey projects, including design, manufacture, installation, and worker training in these areas. In Henan Hengmu Machinery Co Limited, we have many professional elites. We have brought in a series of standard products and are improving our products all the time. Henan Hengmu Machinery Co Limited has a group of capable talents who have experiences and stable quality. We can design, develop, and manufacture machines according to the needs of customers. We can design and manufacture different kinds of machines to meet the need of 1 to 50 tons per hour flow line production, such as powder feed, pellet feed, premix feed, and biomass pellet. Our company has an excellent after-sales service team with advanced technology and rich experience. The after-sales service system is professional. Our workers can reach any place of China in 24 hours except very remote places. We can resolve your problems at the first time. We are looking forward to receive each customers and each friend to our company for long-term business relationship in the near future.